Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm back with another affordable wig, part of my affordable wig series. So today I've got this cute little blunt bob. This one is from Janet Collection as well, and the style of the wig is called Baylee, and it's also part of the deep part lace wig collection. So as you can see, the part is quite long. It goes all the way to like the middle of my head, so it creates, you know, more of that realistic look because you have more parting to work with. But yeah, this is really cute. Honestly, I didn't have to do anything to this wig but put it on and, you know, comb it a little bit, and that was it. As always, I put a bit of concealer in the parting area, and the cut is longer at the front and it's shorter at the back, so it's kind of like an angled bob. What else can I say? There's no issues with tangling because it is short. Like, it doesn't snag. There's not much hair for it to, you know, get tangled with, obviously. I did get a little bit of shedding when I was combing it initially, but I haven't had, okay, there we go. I've got another hair. So yeah, it definitely sheds a bit. We all know that's the deal with most synthetic wigs. This would obviously be a great summer wig as well because it is short. In terms of the density of the hair, it's not as thick as the last wig that I showed you, the Supermoon. Once again, it's most likely because it's short. I do prefer my bobs a little bit thicker, a little bit more weight, a little bit more density. This one is a little light for my liking. Oh, and there's some more hair. But I mean, once again, because it's short, it's not really that noticeable. You know, it covers all the tracks. You can't see any gaps, so that's the most important thing. So yeah, without much talking, let me just move forward and show you how I put it on. It was super easy once again. So yeah guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads of this series and obviously all my other videos, and also thumbs up this video if you are liking the affordable wig series, so I can do the rest, because I know not everyone wants to spend hundreds of dollars on wigs. You know, some people don't really care about wigs like that, so they're just looking for a cheap alternative they can throw on, take off, and it's no hassle. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.